Hello friends and welcome to Creative Tech Plus. In this video, I am gonna show you how to repair your corrupted pen drive without using any softwares in your PC. So let's get started. First, I will show you my pen drive which is corrupted now. So you can see here the USB drive. So you can see it's not showing the memory. This, so you can see please insert a disk into USB. So it's obviously corrupted. So I'll show you how to repair this. So first you have to go to search and type cmd and run it as administrator. So you can see this dialog box now. Now type disk part and enter. Now it takes some time to load, so now type list disk and enter. Now you can see the total list of your PC. So you can see disk 0, that is 931 GB, that's 1 terabyte, which is my hard disk. And you can see the second disk 1, it's 14 GB, which is my pen drive. Now type select disk 1. For me it's disk 1. In your PC it may vary. So according to it you select the disk. Once you select, press enter. You can see disk 1 is now selected. And now type clean. So clean and enter. So it takes some time. Be patient. So this method is the easiest method without using software. Now type delete partition. Partition. Click enter. Now type active. Click enter. Now type select partition. Partition 1. Now type format fs equals to FAT32 FAT30 and click enter. Now it takes some time, please be patient. It takes about 40 to 50 minutes or about 1 hour to complete. So now at the instant I am pausing the video. After 100% I will show the result. So now guys, it was 100%. I have just simply exited the window. Now you can see here the USB drive and you can see the memory also. Now just click it and your USB or pen drive or memory card is ready to work. So this was the first method by which you can easily, without using any software, you can repair a corrupted pen drive. Now there is a second method. For this you need a software. So I have intentionally corrupt this pen drive now. So now guys, I have corrupted the pen drive now. So I will tell how to repair it with the second method. So you can see here it's not showing any memory information, or when I click it, that disk into USB drive. So So it is corrupted now. Now I will show the another method. In this method, you want a software. It's nothing much. It's less than a KB, less than a MB. So you can easily get it from Google. So this is the application, HP USB disk. So just right click and run it as administrator. So you can see the Sony, it's my pen drive, and just click start, and yes, just wait a while. So that's it guys, it's complete. Now I'll show you. So you can see here USB drive 14 showing memory information now, so it's ready to use. So in this way guys, you can repair any of your memory sticks or card readers, etc. by these two methods. So these are very basic methods which you can use to repair your devices. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel Creative.